Today we are here at Ljubljana at Ekonomska šola for the project meeting for VET4SCAPE, which is a new Erasmus Plus project comprising 7 countries, of course Slovenia, Austria, Romania, Bulgaria, the Czech Republic, Slovakia and Portugal. I would like to tell you something about this project. This project will last about 18 months, and there will be 3 training events with students, and there will be another teachers meeting next year in Levice. Now, what is this project about? One of the pillars is training students to go in for an LCCI Business English exam. LCCI stands for London Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and it is a business exam that can be taken on several levels. Now, we intend to train the students on level B1. It will be a written exam and an oral exam. We will do about 3 topics in the training events. One topic will be travel, one topic will be advertising, and one topic will be human resources. The idea is that 4 teachers each time do English lessons. They do it with international groups, and on top of that, 2 other teachers will go on for oral training on the basis of the material LCCI will provide us. The positive aspect of this degree is that students sometimes need not do business English at university, which is of course something very good because they can cover that already at school. There is a second pillar which has to do with junior achievement companies. Now, a junior achievement company is a company that is founded at school by students and is run for 10 months. They produce something, they render services. There is a clear structure under the umbrella of the Junior Achievement Organization. And under these organizations, they pay taxes, not to the state, but the organization for the organizational aspects. They pay taxes, they pay salaries, and they can raise money. They can make a profit, and whatever is left off, they can keep as profit. They don't have to pay taxes to the state, but it is a very practical approach, and it is a worldwide concept which we want to apply in our schools as well. And there is a third pillar called transcultural competence. As we have students from 7 different countries, it is very important to train them how they can cooperate together. This is a very important input to understand each other, to understand cultural differences, to make themselves familiar what is done and is not done in other countries. So by means of that, we want to contribute that later on in life they will be better able to fit in an international project. So as I said, the project will last but exactly 18 months, and there will be a final meeting at the end of 2018 when the project will be wound up. We consider ourselves a project from the Danube region, so we have applied for labeling by the European Strategy for the Danube region, and we have already got that labeling so we can use their logo. Thank you for your attention. Českých Budějovic. Také naše městí jsou patronátské městí a neje dlouho cestovat vlakem od Lince do Českých Budějovic, jenom 2 hodiny. Doufám. within the project VET4SCAPE.
Hello, we are from Slovenia and we are selling dream mugs.
Hello, we are from Bulgaria, we're selling cards.
Hi, we're from Austria and we're doing a school magazine.
We are from Romania and we are selling chocolate.
We are from Czech Republic and we are selling calendars.
we're from Portugal and we're raising money to develop this hat. Hello, we are from Slovakia and we are selling relaxing socks.
České Budějovice, Obchodní akademie České Budějovice, where the third training event has taken place. VET4SCAPE is an Erasmus Plus project that has lasted for 1.5 years, and there are 3 pillars. The first pillar is junior achievement companies, the second, an improvement of business English competence, and the third, transcultural competence.
So the business focus was on JA companies. JA companies means that students are working, setting up enterprises, working with real money. It was an adventure for us because most of us didn't even know before what it is. Then we just tried it out and we had a wonderful, successful JA company fair on Wednesday and on Thursday here in České Budějovice, and I would really thank to the organizational team to have this international fair.
One of the aims of VET4SCAPE project was to improve students' skills of business English. Students attended lessons, specimen lessons on different topics from HR, job market, tourism, marketing, among other things, and they also actively participated in these lessons. Another thing they immensely improved on were their public speaking skills. For every meeting they had to prepare a presentation or more of them on various topics, and they had to carry it out in front of international audience. And one feedback that we often get from students is that how much more comfortable they feel speaking in English, and in front of many people. So overall, I think that I believe that the aim was successfully achieved.
So the third pillar of this project was about gaining transcultural competences, and since this is a European project, we actually managed to do a lot of group works in mixed transnational teams of students. That way they gained not only competences in English, but also competences about how to work in teams, how to collaborate, how to find common denominator, and achieve the expected outcomes that we actually envisioned.
My name is and I am a member of the Romanian VET4SCAPE team. I feel honored to be working with teachers from other countries, with teachers who have a lot of experience in Erasmus projects. And I must admit that I have learned a lot of things already, and even if I'm not an economics teacher, I'm an English teacher, I have learned a lot of things about junior achievement companies. I also have had the opportunity of teaching business English to students from all the 7 countries involved. And to me, this is a great professional gain. Last but not least, I appreciate this project for the degree of professionalism, for the cooperation and the very good organization of all the activities. And I truly believe that this VET4SCAPE project has a great impact upon the students and the teachers that participate in it.
Hello, I'm Florentina Ifrim, the coordinator of the Romanian team in the Erasmus Plus VET4SCAPE project. To me, this project means challenge, work, knowledge, responsibility and success. First of all, due to this project, I have improved my economic skills and knowledge by using the GA program to create and manage a GA mini company, which I had not known much about initially. I have come up with the idea of manufacturing our product. The chocolate called it Little Joy. We have sold it and we have made a profit. I have also improved my skills in business English, my transcultural competences by learning about the traditional, the customs, the gastronomy and the culture of the partners' countries. The Erasmus project encourages team and work in international partnerships, allows to us to meet people with great skills and experience, people who become our friends. Be part of the Erasmus project, it's worth it.
Hello, I'm Teresa from Czech Republic, and this is the second time when I'm in the project. I have been in Portugal and it was a great experience. I made there a lot of friends and I'm really glad for it. I think I'm better in English now because I have learned a lot of new words and I'm not afraid to communicate with people from other countries.
Hello, I'm Bianca, I'm from Austria and we are doing a school magazine. It's the first time we're here in Budapest, so it's really exciting meeting so many new countries and people and it's awesome. It's also the first time we're here and the first ever project. It's really interesting meeting many people and also connecting with others, seeing other companies, and it's great that we have the opportunity to create our own company.
My name is Bianca and I was in mobility in Bulgaria. First of all, I had the chance to learn how to organize and work in a GA company, and I'm very proud about our chocolate factory. Secondly, I have learned that I must take many responsibilities when I'm working into a team, but now I know that the final product is always the best when many people work together for it.
My name is German Gabriela and I was in the transnational meeting in Vidin, Bulgaria. In this project I have learned a lot of interesting things. I have learned how to make a video in Movie Maker, and I have learned how to make a report about cultural differences between the countries. But most importantly, in this project I have learned about GA companies. This is my first time when I participate in an international team, and I think every student should participate in an Erasmus project.
I'm Nedelci Alexandru Cătălin. I'm a member of the Romanian student team in the VET4SCAPE project. I think that this project has developed some of my abilities such as teamwork. I'm glad that I am a part of this project.
I'm a member of the VET4SCAPE project. In my opinion, the project is an excellent idea and an outstanding goal. To teach future generations how to be a real entrepreneur and how to manage a company. What I like most about the activity in Vidin is how it taught us the first steps about being an entrepreneur while giving us a good view of the landscape.
My name is Petre Christian, and I'm grateful that I joined this Erasmus Plus VET4SCAPE project. I choose to join it with the purpose of learning new things and achieve experience in a GA conference.
I like the fact that everyone in our group spoke English, so we can communicate with each other, and they have not used their own languages, and it helped us in our works a lot.
I like that we were able to spend some free time with people from different countries and get to know them better.
I was very surprised by the fact that it worked out very well in the groups, and people from different countries can do a great job if they work together and there were no barriers in language or other things.
Hi, my name is Jeltsu Madalina and I'm a part of VET4SCAPE project. My expectations in this project are to improve my English skills and learn business English. In this project, I have liked so far the fact that I work in a junior company, in a team, and also I've got new friends. In this project, I gained the transcultural knowledge. I recommend to all my schoolmates to participate in an Erasmus project.
And thanks to this project, I have learned to be more confident, to appreciate new things, to build long-lasting friendships, and to communicate in a foreign language with ease.
I'm Lavinia Cosma, and I'm a member of the Romanian student team in the VET4SCAPE-Erasmus project. I like this project very much because it has given me the opportunity to meet new people from other countries, to visit interesting places and learn about other cultures. I believe Erasmus projects are very useful for students, and every one of them should try to be part of such projects.
Hello, I'm Tiago from Portugal.
Hello, I'm Ruben, also from Portugal.
And we really enjoyed the project Erasmus, and it's awesome to learn many vocabulary about those company stuff. And the GA company was also an awesome experience.
We learned a lot of things about the other companies, and we enjoyed seeing others having fun with our project.
Even working together was awesome, and we made a really good talk with each other. We know better each other while doing the company.
Hello, my name is Milan. I'm from Slovakia. In this project, I improved my English skills and also my presentation skills. I got to know many new cultures.
Hello, my name is David. In this project, I improved English skills and get to know new people.
Hello, I am Dimitro from Bulgaria. In this project, I learned to express myself in English, to talk more, and I learned about the other countries' traditions, and I saw Češke, Bolgarije.
Hello, my name is Eva. In this project I learned about different GA companies, what they're doing in their companies, and have to learn about more things.
Hi, my name is Tina and this is Anya, and we are from Slovenia. I have met a lot of new people from different countries and have a lot of new knowledge about business skills and improving my English.
It was a good experience and I recommend that to anyone.